Look here students, today we will do some question. We are doing the determinant and here we will do mix of the determinant and the matrix. Here let A is given to you, A1 matrix is given, that first row is 3 and 7 and second row is 2 and 5. And second matrix is given, their first row is 6 and 8 and second row is 7 and 9. And you have to verify that A, B inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Look here, this formula is also important. This formula may be given to you in multiple choice question also, that what is AB inverse. Okay, so AB inverse will be B equal to B inverse and A inverse. First we have A, first we have B, then we have A. Okay, so that is the change will be here. Now look here, we will do first of all the left hand side. So in left hand side, what is given to you, that one part is AB. And how we can find AB? Look here, AB we find by multiply to A and B. A and B we will multiply. A is here the first matrix and B is the second matrix. 6, 8, second row is 7 and 9. And these you have to multiply according to the matrix multiplication rules. And what is the matrix multiplication rules? You know already that first this row you multiply by these columns, and then second row also you multiply by these columns. So look here, when we multiply, what we get, you check, 6 3 ja 18 plus 7 7 ja 49. Then we multiply 3 into 8, 3 8 ja 24 and 7 9 ja 63. 2 6 ja 12 and 7 5 ja 35. 2 8 ja 16 and 9 5 ja 45. These you will add, you will get here AB. 18 and 49 you will get 67, and 24 and 63 you get 87. 12 and 35 you get 47. 16 and 45 you will add, you get 61. Now look here, you will change this in a determinant format, and this bracket will change in determinant format. So look here, this first row will as it is, second row will as it is, we write. Now how we find the value of determinant? That we do the cross product. So 67 and 61 you have to cross product, and 47 and 87 you will cross product. 67 into 61 will be 4087, and 47 into 87 will be 4089. Then you subtract, you get minus 2 you will get. Now look here, you have to find the AB inverse. Look here, AB you know already, 67, 87, 47 and 61. Now you find here A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay, cofactors you find, and cofactor first is positive, negative, negative and positive. Now for this A11, A11 means first row and first column you not take, you get 61. Then A12 means first row and second column you not get, you will write 47. Then A21 means second row and first column you will not take, you get 87. And A22 means second row and second column you not take, you get 67. And from these you will find adjoint AB, and adjoint AB will be equal to the matrix first row 61 and minus 47, and second row is minus 87 and 67, and that you do transpose. That will be called adjoint AB. And adjoint AB, this you get, first row will become first column 61 and this will be first column, second column will be 87 and 67 you get. Now look here, you have to find here AB inverse, and AB inverse you know already that you have 1 upon AB determinant and adjoint AB. So 1 upon AB means you have minus 1 upon 2, and AB determinant adjoint AB we already calculated, 61 minus 87 minus 47 and 67. So hope you understand how to find a AB inverse. Then we will find the right hand side, and right hand side we solve and we check both part will be equal. We will do the right hand side. In right hand side, what is given to you? B inverse, A inverse. Means first we find B inverse. For that you will take B. B is given to you 6, 8, 7 and 9. This you have to change in determinant. B determinant will be equal to 6, 8, 7 and 9. And this determinant value you have to find. This is 2 into 2 determinant, means you can multiply this. 6 9 ja 54 minus 56, so you get minus 2. So B determinant we get minus 2, and this is not equal to 0, means we can find the B inverse. Now for that we have to find the adjoint. Adjoint means same as it is, you find A11, A12, A21 and A22, plus minus and plus. First number will be, look here, when you now take a first row and first column you get 9. Now first row and second column you now take, first row second column you now take 7. Then second row and first column you now take, second row and first column you now take, you get 8. Then second row and second column you not get 6, you get. Now look here, you have to write adjoint A, and adjoint A you have to write adjoint B, that is equal to, look here, 9 minus 7 minus 8 and 6, that you do the transpose. So transpose do, then you get 9 minus 7 will be in first column, minus 8 and 6 will be in second column. Now look here, you have to find here B inverse, and B inverse will be equal to 1 upon B determinant and adjoint B, and adjoint B we get this value of B, we have minus 1 upon 2. So minus 1 upon 2, 9 minus 8 minus 7 and 6. This is the B determinant we get, B inverse we get. B inverse equal to minus 1 upon 2 matrix. First row is 9 minus 8 and second row is minus 7, 6 we get. Now look here students, we already find B inverse. B inverse equal to minus 1 upon 2 and matrix. First row is 9 minus 8 and second row is minus 7, 6. Same as it is, we find A inverse. And for A inverse, what you do, this A determinant you write. A determinant is 3, 7, 2 and 5. Now this A determinant you will find by the cross product. 3 5 is 15 minus 14, that is equal to 1. 1 means it is not equal to 0, so you can find the A inverse also. For that also you find here A11, A12, A21 and A22. These elements you find, and here plus, minus, minus and plus. A11 means first row and first column you will not take. First row and first column means 5 is remaining. First row and second column you will not take, means 2. Second row and first column you will not take, 7. Second row and second column you will not take, means 3. By these you will find the adjoint A. Adjoint A will be here 5 minus 2 minus 7 and 3. This transpose you do, and transpose will be equal to 5 minus 2 will be first column and second column will be 7 minus 7 and 3. Look here, you have to find the A inverse. A inverse will be 1 upon A determinant and adjoint A will be, okay. So adjoint A upon A determinant you write. Here A determinant is 1, so 1 will be, and adjoint A already we find 5 minus 7 minus 2 and 3. So this is the A inverse. Now look here, we have to write the right hand side. In right hand side what we have, look here, right hand side we have B inverse into A inverse. B inverse is, we already find, you can write here B inverse. B inverse is minus 1 upon 2 and 9 minus 8, second row is 7 and 6, and A inverse just we find here 5 minus 7 minus 2 and 3. These you have to multiply, and multiply rules you know already, that first row you have to multiply by these columns, and this second row also you multiply by these columns. So look here, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is outside as it is. 9 5 are 30. Look here, when we multiply 9 into 5 and you will add 8 into 2, 16, you get 61, and 9 into minus 7 and you will add minus 8 into 3, you get minus 87. Similarly minus 7 into 5 and you add 6 into minus 2, you get minus 47. Then minus 7 into minus 7, 49 and 6 3 is 18, you add, you get 67. So this is, you get the right hand side. All of you understand this.